What is the difference between a brand that looks like it costs $5 and the one that looks like it costs 500? Most people think that the answer is better software or hiring expensive designers. But the truth? It's usually just one simple adjustment. It's not about what you add to the design, it's about what you take away. Today, I'm going to show you one of the design tricks that luxury brands use to charge 10 times more than their competitors. And the best part, it costs $0 to do. First, we have to understand the enemy of premium design, clutter. When we start designing, whether it's a thumbnail, a business card, or a website, our instinct is to fill every inch of the space. We want to show the logo, the phone number, the Instagram handle, or QR code, and 3 different slogans. Psychologically, clutter signals desperation. It screams, "Look at me, please buy from me." Cheap brands scream, luxury brands whisper. Think about a discount store flyer. Every inch is covered in prices and starburst. Now think of an Apple ad or a high-end fashion magazine. They are confident enough to leave the page mostly empty. This brings us to our one trick. In the design world, we call it negative space or white space. This doesn't mean the space has to be white, it just means empty. Let's look at this cheap card again. Notice how the text pushes right up against the edges. Notice how the logo is fighting the phone number for attention. There is no room to breathe. It feels cramped, and cramped feels cheap. Now, watch what happens when we apply the trick. We aren't changing the information, we are just adding space. We shrink the text, we push everything away from the edges, we create a massive safe zone around the logo where nothing else is allowed to touch. Suddenly, the exact same information looks expensive. Why? Because space equals luxury. Space implies you can afford to waste it. So, how do you actually do this without being a pro designer? You just need to follow 3 simple rules. Rule number 1, radical margins. Whatever margin you think is safe, double it. If your text is near the edge of the image, move it in. A wide border acts like a frame in an art gallery. It tells the eye this content is important. Rule number 2, the one hero concept. Premium designs have one focal point, not 3. Is the hero the photo or is it the headline? Pick one. If the headline is big, the photo should be subtle. If the photo is striking, keep the text tiny. Rule number 3, the 50% rule. Look at your design. Now try to delete 50% of the elements. Do you really need the Facebook logo? Do you really need the second slogan? When in doubt, delete it. Minimalism is the fastest shortcut to a premium look. You don't need expensive software to make your brand look premium. You just need the confidence to use space. Stop trying to shout, start whispering. Give your visuals room to breathe, and your audience will instantly perceive you as higher value. If you want to see me apply this to a real project in Canva, let me know in the comments. And if you want to fix your design strategy, make sure to subscribe. I'm Zico, helping you craft standout designs. See you in the next one.